Hi, this is Universal Programmer. In this video, we are going to set up a system for Python programming. First of all, I'm going to install Python. Just go over here and say install or download, then the exe. Make sure that add Python 3.7 to path has been clicked. Then click on install. I'm not going to install it. After installing Python, you can open your command prompt and run Python. And if it's working, then that means you have installed Python successfully. Now we also need a text editor. I'm going to use sublimetext. I'm going to use the portable version. I'm going to extract it. Now we are going to open sublimetext. First of all, I'm going to rename the exe to sub. Then I'm going to run it. So this is sublimetext. Now first of all, I'm going to install a new theme. For that, first of all, press Ctrl Shift P and this panel is going to come up. Now you need to search for install package control. It says package control was successfully installed. Now we can use package control to install other packages. So first of all, I'm going to say Ctrl Shift P again and I'm going to say install, and it's going to be package control install package. And we are going to install a theme called AYU. So the theme has been successfully installed now. We can change the theme, but first of all we need to install this. We are going to install. Now that has been installed, so now we can go into preferences, check theme. I'm going to say AYU dark theme, and then I'm going to change the color scheme to AYU dark. That's it, we have changed the theme. Now we are going to install another package which is going to convert sublimetext into an IDE for Python. So I'm going to say Ctrl Shift P, then install package, and the name of this package is Anaconda. After installation of Anaconda, we are going to close. I'm going to add this path on over here to path variables. Why path variables? Because the upcoming project video is going to be based on path variables, and also path variables are really useful. I use them all the time. So we are going to search for environment variables. Go into environment variables, path, then I'm going to add a new one. Go over here, copy this path, paste, enter, OK. Now we can launch sublimetext from the command prompt. So you can open command prompt, say sub.exe, and it's going to open sublimetext. For the first time I've used sub.exe, then you can say sub and it's going to open sublimetext. You can also use sub dot. This dot is going to act as path. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe, the bell icon for latest updates, and I'll see you in the next one.